Dreaming about your next vacation? WorldMarkByWyndham.com makes it easy to search for destinations and find available dates. Get started by going to WorldMarkByWyndham.com and signing into your account. Once you've signed in, look to the top menu and tap Resorts. This interactive resort search lets you browse resorts by name or location. Let's say you're planning a trip to San Diego. Simply enter the location in the search bar, pick your dates, and tap Done. Results are automatically sorted by popularity, with the most sought-after resorts at the top. Or you can change the sort option to distance and see the nearest resorts first. Under each property is a list of available suites and how many credits you'll need to book them. If your vacation dates are flexible, tap View Monthly Availability. This way, you can choose your preferred resort and suite type, then see availability for the coming months. After you've selected your check-in and check-out dates, take a look at the information on the right. This area will tell you about credit requirements and whether availability is limited. If you're ready to make a reservation, tap Book, or head back to the resort section and discover more options. Start searching today at WorldMarkByWyndham.com.